So how can you blur a photo or face inside of a Snapseed app, the photo editor? So if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So let me just import this image of random stock image from the internet, but we want to use it to blur the face. So what we can do in this case is basically be in here and swipe up to access all of the tools. And from those, we want to select the blur, and the only blur we really have available is the lens blur. But the way that it works is that it kind of shows you the selector, and the thing in here in the center is clear and everything outside of that is blurry. So what we want to do is essentially make sure that the blurriness is set to the max and slide it away so the faces are actually blurred. Right, so as you can see, we have it like this, and we can confirm it. Now, the whole thing is blurry, but what are we going to do now is click on the layers at the top, and there is the original thing, and there is the lens blur effect. And we essentially want to mask the blur. So we can click on the blur and essentially decide that we want to mask it like that. So as you can see, this area is now selected, right? So as you can see, we can also kind of remove it, or go in here and make the thing a little bit smaller, and now, or adjust the intensity fully as such. And now as you can see, the faces are blurry because we only applied the change to that. So as you can see, we can hit it done like that and export the image. And when we go to the gallery, the latest picture at the bottom is this one with their faces blurred. So that's how it works. It's pretty much just that. Outside of that, we don't really have that many other options in the app, but I guess this one works fine. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below, and I'll see you in the future uploads.